How to add an FSA and HSA card to your Amazon account and discover eligible products. Do you have an FSA or HSA card? Wondering how you can save even more money by using your FSA or HSA card on Amazon? Well, you're in luck. You can now find all of your favorite FSA and HSA eligible items on Amazon. With the largest selection of items online at everyday low prices, you can save big using your FSA or HSA card on Amazon. Watch this video till the end for a pro tip. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into our video. What is an FSA and how it works? Flexible spending accounts, FSAs, and health savings accounts, HSAs, allow you to set aside pre-tax dollars, often directly from your paycheck, to pay for certain medical expenses. Your company may provide an FSA or an HSA as a separate account to pay for qualified medical expenses. The accounts can be linked to a card, and you can buy FSA and HSA eligible products on Amazon very easily. But before that, how do I add my FSA or HSA card to my account? If you are looking to add your FSA or HSA card to your account, you first need to go to your My Account page and click on Your Payments. To avoid running into issues where you use your FSA or HSA card for non-approved transactions, make sure this is not your default card. Now, where do I find FSA or HSA eligible items on Amazon? There are many ways to discover FSA or HSA eligible products on Amazon. I will go over 4 ways to discover eligible items. FSA or HSA eligible item flag. Search filtering menu and category. Number 1. FSA or HSA eligible item flag. Amazon has made it very easy for you to discover FSA or HSA eligible items wherever you are on the site. Amazon flags all applicable eligible items with an FSA or HSA eligible flag, as you can see over here. If an item doesn't have this flag, it doesn't necessarily mean that it isn't FSA eligible. It just means that it isn't on Amazon's internal FSA/HSA eligible item list. If the item doesn't have a flag, but you believe it is an FSA eligible, you may use your default payment method and file for reimbursement with your benefits manager. Number 2. Search. One of the ways you can find FSA/HSA eligible items is to search for what you want and adding the word FSA or HSA in front of it. Additionally, you can also search plus click on the FSA or HSA eligible filter on the left side of your page. Using the filter ensures that all of the items you are looking at are on the eligibility list, as opposed to items that may have squeezed their way into a search that aren't FSA/HSA eligible. Number 3. Filtering menu. Another easy way to discover FSA and HSA eligible items is to search for your favorite health and wellness brand or products on Amazon and look for this FSA or HSA eligible filter on the left-hand side. If you don't see it, that means the products you're looking for are not on Amazon's internal FSA or HSA eligible product list. Number 4. Amazon's FSA and HSA category. Amazon has also created their own FSA and HSA store for customers to use. It's a little hard to get to, but if you're searching for it on Google or on Amazon, there is a chance that you'll land here. They have broken out some of the most popular FSA and HSA eligible product categories to help you navigate through the page. This makes it easy to discover what items or categories are FSA eligible. Let's move on. How do I pay for FSA or HSA eligible items on Amazon? Once you have your FSA and HSA eligible items in your cart, and you have your FSA or HSA card saved in your Amazon wallet, you're now ready to complete your purchase. Amazon will be able to directly take your purchase and debit the funds out of your account. If you have a bunch of items in your cart, Amazon will tell you how much money they are able to take out of your FSA and HSA card. The total should match the value of your eligible items in your cart. As you can hear, I have ordered an Olympic weightlifting bar and a roll of KT Tape Pro, great for joint support and pain relief. The KT tape would be the only item eligible to be used with my FSA card. Amazon identified that $14.98 for my order will be applied to my FSA card, and the rest will be my other credit card stored on my account. And that's it. That was everything for today. And since you stayed till the end, here's a pro tip. Before you use your card to spend FSA and HSA funds, make sure they have been deposited into your account. Hope you liked this video. please subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And you can check out the link in the description below and visit us at FSAguide.com. See you next time.